Okay, we're back.
All right, let's see.
And we're back. All right, ready? So now let's go ahead and bring up the next the next opportunity. All
Oh
right.
my goodness.
Okay,
Oh,
so here's the next opportunity. It's taking us all the way up to San Jose, California.
ooh,
Apparently, every house in California is 1.2 million. So if you're thinking of moving over here, it's 1.2 million. All right.
what a great
So
deal.
this beauty is no longer on the market.
Jeez, I
Um,
wonder why. It's a very spacious 3-2 for 1,700 square feet. And we got the
that is a
$1 million.
gorgeous photo. What are you talking about? Let's explore. I mean, oh no, that's a Ford Explorer.
Yeah, Exploder. That's what it is.
No, dude, that's a Cherokee. What is
Oh
that?
no,
Velvet?
that's a Wagoneer. That has
Yo. Did you just age yourself? Because I have no idea. Did you just say something about your ear?
that was a Wagoneer. That has the most expensive plastic wood on the sides you ever seen in your life. That's classy. That, you look at that. Look at the rims on that thing. Whew.
Well, we
And
just turned this into a car channel. All right, let's go back.
ooh,
1.2 million. Let's just read this really quick. Location, unlimited possibilities. You're right. It needs to be torn down and put right back up. I'll agree with that. It has a lot of potential with some work. It could easily increase the value to 1.6 million. Are you kidding?
yeah. If you know
By
how
the
you do
way,
that, you put a safe and you put $400,000 inside of it. That's how it gets.
that's how you increase the value and
That's how you
stuff.
increase four hundred
Oh,
thousand
dude.
dollars.
Oh, I can't. I can't do this anymore.
Oh
Um,
my god!
oh, uh, all right. What is this? What does this do? By the way, it also shows that it's near the Google campus. Okay. Japantown. I didn't know that that was a name of a town. Sounds a little, uh, international airport, downtown amenities. But well, hold on. It has an unfinished basement, ideal for a wine cellar and extra storage. Take advantage of this spacious. Just imagine the possibilities. You know what? You
A
get an A
basement in
plus for
San
writing
Jose?
that.
Why would there be a basement in San Jose? What kind of bodies were they cutting up in that basement?
It's in the middle of Tornado Alley in San Jose,
Yeah.
California. I mean, what do you
Who,
expect?
who dug a basement?
Commission, commissions offer, offering commissions, not too bad. But boy, oh boy, 1.2 million in Cali. That's what it buys you. Oh, ready?